Welcome to Samba Samba. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Roblox on different accounts at the same time. First, open multiple web browsers like Chrome, Firefox, and Edge. Log into a unique Roblox account in each browser. Then, launch a separate Roblox game instance from each browser. This method allows you to run 2, 3, or even more instances simultaneously, depending on your computer's capabilities, providing a straightforward way to manage multiple game sessions. Another effective method involves using virtual machines or sandbox applications. Install software like VirtualBox or VMware to create a separate operating system environment. Alternatively, a sandbox application can isolate Roblox instances. Within each virtual or sandboxed environment, launch Roblox and log in with a different account. This approach provides robust isolation, ensuring each Roblox instance runs independently, which is particularly useful for advanced users managing several accounts. You can also explore dedicated Roblox account manager tools. These third-party applications are designed to streamline the process of switching and launching multiple accounts. After downloading and installing a reputable tool, configure it to manage your various Roblox accounts. You can then launch separate Roblox instances directly through the manager. Always ensure the tool is from a trusted source and kept updated to maintain security and compatibility with Roblox's platform. Finally, remember some important considerations. Always be aware of Roblox's terms of service regarding multiple accounts to avoid any issues. Ensure your computer has sufficient processing power and at least 8 GB of RAM for smooth performance across multiple instances. Use strong, unique passwords for each Roblox account to maintain security. Lastly, exercise caution and avoid using unverified third-party software to protect your accounts and personal information.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.